Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in our today's class. Today we are going to learn our new countdown book 5 third edition. It is our lesson number 5 unit number 1 exercise 1b, and today we will solve question number 8 and question number 11. Earlier we have read about the addition and subtraction. So today we are going to solve some word problems related to the addition and subtraction. These all questions are related to the addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction of bigger numbers, we must keep only two things in mind: writing the numbers correctly vertically, and the other thing is that we must start doing it from the very right hand side of the question. So let us start doing number 8. Question number 8 is solve these sums using international system. Its A part is find the difference between the greatest 8-digit number and greatest 5-digit number. So here the very first thing is this difference. I'm going to highlight the word difference. You must know this, that difference means to subtract. Whenever the word difference is, whenever we want to find the difference between the two numbers, we can find the difference by using the subtraction. So it means that from the greatest 8-digit number, we are going to subtract the greatest 5-digit number. So here we are going to write the greatest 8-digit number first. And I have told you earlier, if we want to find the greatest 8-digit number, we will simply write 9999999. That is 8 times 9 will be there, and it is 99,999,999. And now we will write the greatest 5-digit number. We will write 5 times 9. And for calculation of difference, we are going to subtract it. So simply we will subtract and calculate its difference. Starting from the very right hand side, 9 minus 9 is 0. Similarly, 9 minus 9 is again 0, and you will get your answer as this. So you can see this, that in this way you can find the difference between any two numbers. Now let's go to its part B. Part B is from the smallest 8-digit number, subtract the greatest 6-digit number. So we will write the smallest 8-digit number first. And for writing the smallest 8-digit number, we will put 1 and then 7 zeros will be there. That is 10 million. And now the greatest 6-digit number will be 9 times 6. That is 999,999. And we want to subtract it. So for subtraction, you will simply start doing it from the right hand side, and 0 minus 9 is not possible. We have to take borrow from 1, and when you will subtract it, you will get 9,000,001 as your answer. Now let's go to our question number 11. Question number 11 is study the table carefully, then answer the given questions below. This table is about the population of major cities of Pakistan according to the 2017 census. The population of the cities is given to you. Now we are going to solve the given questions. First, A part is how many more people live in Karachi than Rawalpindi. So we are going to find it out that first we will find it that which city is having more people, Karachi or Rawalpindi. For that we will go to our previous slide again. We will first write the population of Karachi here. Then we will write the population of Rawalpindi. So you can see that this is the population of Karachi and this one is the population of Rawalpindi. And we can see that Karachi has more number of people. So we are going to subtract. We want to actually calculate the difference between the population of these two cities. So for calculation of difference, we will do the subtraction. We will first write the population of Karachi, then the population of Rawalpindi, and for calculation of difference, we will subtract. So you can see that 12,812,121 more people live in Karachi than Rawalpindi. Its B part is after Faisalabad, which city has the most number of people? How many people altogether live in this city and Faisalabad? So we are going to find it out that after Faisalabad, which city has the most number of people? Look at the table carefully and you can find it that after Faisalabad, Rawalpindi has the most people. And now we are going to do the second part of the question, which tells us that how many people altogether live in this city and Faisalabad. So here it means that when altogether is there, it means we want to calculate the total number of people in these two cities. So we are going to add the population of these two cities. So you can see that altogether 5,302,077 people live in these two cities. Now here we can see its part C, that is what is the total population of Lahore and Rawalpindi. So we are going to do the addition. We are going to add the population of Lahore and Rawalpindi here. For calculation of total population, we will add and you will get your answer. Its D part is which city has the least number of people. What is the difference in the population between this city and Faisalabad? Now looking at your table carefully, you will find it that Quetta has the least number of people, and now we are going to calculate the difference between Quetta and Faisalabad's population. So this is the difference. Part E is if the population of Peshawar is added to that of Quetta, how many people are there altogether? Again, altogether and added. So we are going to do the addition of population of Peshawar and population of Quetta. So you can see that in total there are 2,971,246 people in these two cities. This was all about today's topic. Now your home task is that please you have to do page number 8, exercise 1B, question number 11, part C, D and E in your notebooks. Hope you all will be able to solve these by yourselves and hope you all are safe, sound at your homes. Till the next lesson, goodbye. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.